In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to handle data sets when we have a lot of blank and empty rows. Now, it might be tempting to click into a row, right-click, hit delete, or maybe select a few, hit delete. But we can see if we're dealing with a very large data set, we're not going to want to spend our time going one by one deleting each row. Now, there's two quicker ways that we can handle this. So one simple way we could start with is highlighting our data array, and we could sort our data. So if we were in our data tab and we sort either small to large or large to small, we can see that the blanks will get sorted to the bottom and we'll have our data up above. And another handy shortcut, so if we undo that and once we have our data array selected, we can then hit Control G, go to Special. Let me slide this over. We go to Special, go to Blanks, and then this will now have highlighted all of the blank cells in our data. And from here, we can hit the Control minus sign, and we can shift cells up. And if we scroll down, we can see that all the blank rows are now deleted from our data set.